YouTube. Today I wanted to make this short video about this little upgrade I got for my truck, and that's the soft opening thing, because it's not only like convenient, but I guess it's a safety feature. And for example, I may slam open this tailgate, let's say, and I got my kid standing by me and I just didn't notice him, so it could be pretty serious. So with that thing, it's simply gonna slowly open, avoiding any possible injury. So, and I guess it looks cool as well. And in a couple of words, so the kit comes with that thing, and what it does, we got the opening here, so, and there is the ball joint gonna go here, but there is no nut. I cannot screw it into anywhere, so this nut is kind of on this handle, and we're gonna pop up this lid, and we're gonna stick this nut with this handle up to this hole, so we'll for obvious reasons. So let's proceed. As the first thing to do, I just remove this thing, the strap, and the kit, at least the one that I purchased, is coming with this I guess it's Torx 50 thing to remove this nut. It's pretty tight, but it goes. It goes. All right. We take this bracket and install it here. Alright, now I guess at this point we can put this strap back. Okay, good. The next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this cover, and I guess it's T30 bolts. Okay, the next thing I did, I undone those T30 screws from this access cover, and I used this included nut with a holder, and I fed it actually to this area. I used blue thread locker and a supplied ball joint nut, and tighten it pretty good. The instructions says like I guess 8 Newton meters or so, but I mean I tighten it pretty tight. And what we have right now is soft opening tailgate, which is pretty cool, and it's pretty easy mod. Probably took whole 15 minutes, and this is the last part to do. I mean, I'm not sure if it's gonna last a long time. I read people complained about you know, this ball joint nut is being kind of yanked out or bent, so hopefully that's not gonna be the case. Yep. Chicks. So there you have it. I guess 19 bucks on Amazon, and there is no any difference how I close it. There is no any extra force I need to apply to close it, but you know, in regards to opening, it's pretty good. Guys, I'm gonna include the link for this thing in the comments below, as well as in the description below, and I'm gonna update the description if I'm gonna find something wrong with this item. But I mean, so far don't see any issues with it. Thank you for watching. Take care.